Okay, so what kind of situation do we currently have on BTC USD? Let's make a full breakdown and update from our previous analysis. Now, on the monthly, we can clearly see that the market has created this continuation to the upside, breaking above all monthly structure. Now, if you remember from here, we definitely wanted to see BTC USD make this move to the upside. Why? Because clearly the market had tested this very strong structure area given by this trend line at this area plus this information, creating a confluence of support at this area from which the market created this big move to the upside. So this move to the downside was just the market grabbing liquidity at this zone before the continuation to the upside. Going down on the weekly, what we can see now on the weekly time frame, as we said in our previous analysis, we had structure at this area and the market failed to break below the structure. In fact, it respected it as support here and again as support here, and then the market exploded to the upside, rejecting this support. Going down on the daily, what is the situation? Now, on the daily, as we said in our previous analysis, what did we say in our previous analysis? By the way, I will link it in the description so you can go and check it out. But in the previous analysis, we said that from here, we wanted to see the market test this zone before creating the continuation to the upside, which is exactly what the BTC USD has done. And why did we want to see the market retrace to this level? Because we had this minor daily W formation and we wanted to see the market completed at this structure, which is this red candle here, which is also the neckline of this daily W formation. And in fact, the market created exactly the move that we wanted to see. First, the market testing this zone and then creating the rejection to the upside. Now, if you are already in the long, then good job. If you are not in the long, where is the next opportunity? Now, at the moment, looking for a long from here is probably the worst thing that you could do. Why? Because you have bad probabilities. Because at the moment, here is where the market from here started this big move to the downside to go and test this structure area here, the demand that we had at this level. And since the market started this move to the downside from here, clearly here we have resistance. And again, we have resistance here. So basically you would be buying at daily resistance, which is never a good idea. In fact, from here, the market can easily melt to the downside. However, if the market from here will manage to break above the structure, then what will happen? All this previous daily resistance will be turned support at this area. So after the break on the retest, no matter if you are already in the trade or if you're looking to compound your long, what we have to do and what we will be doing with students, if the market will break on the retest inside of this area, we will be monitoring price action on the 4-hour time frame, waiting for the market to provide to us one of our valid entries. And if the market will provide to us one of our valid entries, we will be taking a nice long with a very good risk to reward and very good probabilities for the continuation to the upside and creation of this impulse correction and impulse pattern to the upside. However, it's very important to say that from here the market can and should easily break down to the downside. Why? Because we have resistance at this area, which is not broken to the upside yet. So if you are already in the long from here, great job. Run the trade risk-free. On the other side, if you're still not in the trade, you have to wait for the break before you can be looking for any potential long. And if from here the market will break to the downside, I will make an update and I will show you how we have to approach that kind of situation. Now, if you enjoyed this free analysis and education and update, make sure you drop a like and a comment. It really does support the creation of more free education and analysis for all of you. And I will see you in the next video.